Hey guys, welcome to Biology Hub. This is another video on apoptosis and necrosis. This video is beneficial for all the CSIR, BARC, GATE, ICR, ICMR, and MSc candidates. In this video, we will read about difference between necrosis and apoptosis. There is a special method to balance the dead cell and birth cell in our body, and this special method is apoptosis, which is an active process that is energy consuming and occur naturally in body. In apoptosis, there is a no inflammation, but while necrosis is a passive process, that is, energy is not consumed. Necrosis occur by any external factor, that is radiation, high temperature, decreased oxygen supply, any kind of trauma, loss of integrity, infection, etc. Inflammation is also occur in necrosis. These are the few steps of apoptosis and necrosis: elimination of unwanted cell shrinkage, nuclear fragmentation, apoptotic bodies, phagocytosis of apoptotic bodies. In necrosis, always pathological, cell enlargement, loss of membrane integrity, leakage of content, inflammation, nuclear degeneration. Necrosis. Necrosis is when cells die accidentally due to trauma or lack of nutrients. Necrosis begins with cell swelling. The chromatin gets digested. The plasma and organelles membrane are disrupted. The endoplasmic vacuoles. The organelles break down completely. And finally, the cell lysis, sweeping its intracellular content and eliciting an immune response. Apoptosis can constitute cell suicide or cell murder. Cells will commit suicide when they lack any incoming survival signal in the form of trophic factors or when they detect extensive DNA damage in their own nucleus. Cells will murder other cells to clear out unneeded cells or to eliminate potentially self attacking immune cells. Either of these processes constitute programmed cell death. During embryonic development, peoples have webbed hands and feet and tail. The cells that constitute those parts later apoptize. Apoptosis also goes on instantly in many tissues, including the intestine. These are the few differences between necrosis and apoptosis. Size. In necrosis is a uncontrolled cell death, cellular swelling, many cells affected. But in apoptosis is a programmed cell suicide, that is cellular shrinkage, only one cell is affected. In necrosis, cell content ingested by macrophages, while in apoptosis, cell content ingested by neighboring cell. In necrosis, significant inflammation, but in apoptosis, there is a no inflammation. In necrosis, loss of membrane integrity. In apoptosis, membrane blabbling, but integrity maintained. Cell lysis occur in necrosis, while apoptotic bodies are formed in apoptosis. Organelle swelling and lysosomal leakage. Mitochondria release pro-apoptotic proteins. Random degradation of DNA in necrosis, chromatin condensation, and non-random DNA degradation. This is a master slide. Normal cell is a programmed by the process of programmed cell death. It's called apoptosis and it apoptize. And these apoptotic bodies are phagocytosed by phagocytosis by macrophages and neutrophils. But necrosis is a passive process that is energy consuming, occur mainly by external factor. Apoptosis, a form of cell death that is generally triggered by normal healthy processes in the body. Apoptosis, which can also occur as a defense mechanism during healing process, is almost always normally and beneficial to an organism as an unusual healthy form of a cell's life cycle, apoptosis rarely demands any form of medical treatment. Process: membrane bubbling, shrinkage of cell, nuclear collapse, nuclear fragmentation, chromatin condensation, chromosomal DNA fragmentation, apoptotic body formation, then engulfed by white blood cells, self generated signals in cells. Generally, natural part of life, the continuation of the cellular cycle initiated by mitosis. Very rarely need treatment. Necrosis is a cell death that is triggered by external factor or diseases such as trauma or infection. Necrosis is always abnormal or harmful. Through necrosis is being researched as a possible form of programmed cell death that is sometimes natural process. It is considered as unprogrammed unnatural cell death process at this time, but untreated necrosis can lead to serious injury or even death. Process: membrane disruption, respiratory poison, and hypoxia, which cause ATP depletion, metabolic collapse, cell swelling, and rupture leading to inflammation. Inflammation, decreased blood flow at affected site, tissue death, always required medical treatment. Untreated necrosis is dangerous and can lead to death. I hope this video is beneficial for all the CSIR, bar, gate, ICAMR and ICAR aspirant. If you want to tell any query, please follow my Telegram channel Bharti Biology. Thank you so much.